just got finished watching Chris Capoon's and Mylock's videos on the ERA Insurance 5-lever padlock, and I have one in my collection. Fortunately, I don't have a key for this, so I have to pick it open and pick it closed whenever I want to play with it. I do have another insurance ERA, but this is a 4-lever. About the same size, but it's manufactured a little bit differently. And I'll see if I can pick this open. I'll be using the UK Lockpickers tuning tool, like both Chris and Mylock did, and I'll use a homemade picking wire. And this is locked, by the way. Bit moderate tension on it. And lift each lever. Adjusting tension. Do I got it? Yes, I do. Very good. All right. This I have a difficult time getting the tools out, but that wasn't so bad this time. So that's my ERA 5-lever padlock picked open. And thanks for watching. I'm going to try and pick this closed now. It's unlocked. Turning tool in there and turn it counterclockwise to throw the bolt in that direction. And use a very thin pick wire because it's not a lot of room. And the tuning tool is turned counterclockwise. And put moderate pressure on the turning tool, and I believe we have it. Yep, it's locked.